Hey guys, and how's it going on? In this video we will be talking about how to create and use customized codes templates in HubSpot. Now before we dive into the process, make sure to check out the link in the description of this video to get a 14-day free trial on HubSpot for yourself. So without further ado, let's just dive right into the process. Now create and use customized codes templates. So what are you going to be doing is that in Sales Hub, professional and enterprise accounts, users with super admin permissions can create customized code templates that can be used when creating codes with editable modules. You can modify the template's design and content to match your business needs using HubSpot's free or Sales Hub starter tools. You can edit the theme settings applied to the default code templates, including in your account, but cannot create customized code templates. Now, the point to be noted here is that in all HubSpot subscription plans, you can use the Design Manager to create and edit code templates. However, a Sales Hub professional or enterprise subscription is required to use the templates for creating codes. Learn more about developing a custom CMS codes theme at the HubSpot developer documentation. So now to create a customized codes, these are the steps. From your settings, you're going to be simply navigating to objects and then codes template tab, and then customize code template. Hover over template you want to start with, then click on choose, and you can see we have the choose option in here. At the top, click on the pencil icon. Of course, there's going to be to edit the template and enter a name, and then edit the module contents in the left panel. Then click on module and edit the module contents. And yeah, to edit the line items, click on line items. Similarly, whatever you would like to edit, you're going to be clicking on that, and then you're going to be clicking on settings tab to set a default domain code template. Click on domain drop down menu, and you can select the language and choose to remove content, whatever is in your mind and whatever you would like to do. Then you can see we have our name, our domain, language setup, and yeah, so once you are set up, you are pretty much good to go. You are going to be simply clicking on save, and your code is set and you can use it anytime you want. So that's a pretty simple process on how you can use customized code templates in HubSpot. So make sure to check out the link in the description of this video to get a 14-day free trial on HubSpot for yourself, and thank you so much for watching.